First, we're going to remove the dust cap to get more room to install our LED turn signal light. Turn clockwise to remove the stock turn signal. Unplug the halogen light and plug in the LED turn signal light. Attention, turn it on to test whether it is working properly before installing it back. If the LED turn signal light is not working, please unplug it and rotate it 180 degrees and reinstall it. Then turn counterclockwise to install the LED turn signal light back, and install back the dust cover. The other side is the same step, but it can't be shown because no room for shooting. Then, you are all done with the LED turn signal light installation.